Okay, rolling. Still April 21st, the windy day here in Massachusetts. Bird feeders are flopping around. No, there's the woodpecker along with that. Is that one of the morning doves? Yeah, here's the male cardinal. And the wind is taking them for a ride today. It's about 3:50 p.m. in the afternoon. Where'd the cardinal go? But they're not staying up there for long. It's blowing them around. They go and hold on for dear life. No, I don't think there's a morning dove. Is that another one of the cowbirds? A cowbird, I believe. Well, guess there wasn't room enough for two of them on that thing. And okay, that's good. 120. Gonna cut it. Bye.